We are living in a new kind of war. Not the one with tanks or bombs, but a war fought with algorithms, data, and intelligence. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, in our phones, our businesses, and even in how nations plan their next moves. In this documentary, we'll uncover the AI wars. How Google turned setbacks into dominance. How hackers are using AI as a super weapon. How deepfakes are rewriting truth. And how India is fighting to secure its digital frontier. This isn't just about technology. It's about trust, power, and the battle for the digital future. Welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you are here. Today, we are diving into something massive. AI wars, Google, hackers, deepfakes, and the cybersecurity battle shaping our world. Here's what's coming up. How Google fell behind and then made one of the biggest AI comebacks ever. How hackers are now using AI to automate attacks. How deepfakes threaten the very idea of truth. And how India is defending its growing digital empire. By the end, you'll see how these threads connect and what it means for you. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the AI wars. Quick question, have you ever seen a deepfake video online? Tell me in the comments, I'm curious how real it looked to you. Chapter 1, Google's AI comeback. Let's start with the giant Google. In late 2022, the world met ChatGPT, and everything changed. AI could now talk, write, and think like us. And for the first time, Google looked slow. Their answer, Bard, stumbled. A live demo went wrong when Bard gave false info about the James Webb Telescope. Stock prices fell. Memes flooded the internet. It looked like Google had lost its magic. Then came more blunders. AI overviews telling users to eat rocks and view pizza. The internet laughed, but inside Google, the mood was different. Co-founder Sergey Brin returned. DeepMind and Google Brain merged. Under Domis Hassabis, Google rebuilt its entire AI code. By 2024, the comeback was undeniable. NotebookLM could summarize entire research papers or podcasts. Veo 3 created cinematic AI videos from text. Pixel AI introduced real-time translation and 100x zoom. Then came Gemini and its viral AI tool Nano Banana. It exploded online. For the first time, Gemini overtook ChatGPT in iPhone downloads. Google had done it from failure to dominance. Proof that even the biggest tech giants can fall, learn, and rise again. Have you tried any of Google's new AI tools? Drop your favorite one in the comments. Chapter 2, Hackers plus AI is equal to super weapons. While Google was rebuilding, another group was evolving to hackers. And their newest weapon? Artificial intelligence. What used to take months now takes minutes. AI has turned hacking from a human skill into automation. Here's how AI supercharges cybercrime. Scans thousands of systems in seconds. Detects weak points humans overlook. Auto-generates phishing emails and malware. Learns and adapts after every failed attack. Real-world proof. In 2023, AI-generated phishing emails breached a Fortune 500 company. Security researchers found AI uncovering 20+ zero-day flaws in IoT devices. Old ransomware was rewritten by AI to bypass modern defenses. A hacker can literally type, generate 30 undetectable exploits for Windows, and seconds later, they have an arsenal. AI isn't just helping hackers, it's redefining cyber warfare. Would you feel safe knowing AI can hack systems in minutes? Comment what scares you most about it. Chapter 3, Deepfakes 2.0, the scariest AI weapon. If AI-powered hacking targets our systems, deepfakes target something even deeper, our reality. Tech influencer Varun Maya warned. Scams are only going to get more creative. And he's right. Picture this, you get a video call from your CEO or government official. The voice, the face, the office, everything looks real. But none of it is. Deepfake tools like Alibaba's Van2.2 can now create ultra-realistic videos, every blink, reflection, and gesture perfect. Scammers have already impersonated celebrities and politicians. But the new frontier is real-time deepfakes, synthetic faces that talk to you live. It's not just a cybersecurity threat anymore. It's a trust crisis, a reality you can't fully believe. Have you seen a deepfake that fooled you even for a second? Share it below. Chapter 4: AI, Power and Geopolitics. AI isn't just shaping industries, it's reshaping global power. Recently, in New York, Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu met US tech leaders to discuss AI's role in defense and economy. Meanwhile, China, the US, and India are racing to dominate AI development not for headlines, but for control. Because in today's world, data is the new oil. AI is the refinery. The nation that controls AI innovation controls the future. Do you think AI could decide who leads the next global superpower? Tell us your thoughts. Chapter 5: India's Cybersecurity in the Age of AI. And here at home, India stands at a critical crossroads between growth and vulnerability. India's digital economy now powers 13% of its GDP, growing faster than any nation on earth. Billions of UPI transactions, AI startups, and cloud-driven industries are transforming lives. But with progress comes new dangers. More users mean more entry points. More data means more risk. Experts warn that too many fragmented tools and silos make security harder, not easier. Hackers exploit these gaps before defenders even see them. The answer: AI-driven cybersecurity that reacts in real time. Unified platforms that think faster than threats. And most importantly, a human firewall. Skilled professionals who see what AI can't. Because cybersecurity isn't just about technology. It's about trust, the invisible currency of the digital age. Do you think India is ready to defend itself in the age of AI cyber warfare? Drop your take in the comments. Conclusion: the AI wars ahead. So where does this all lead? Google proved that resilience rebuilds power. Hackers proved that AI can weaponize creativity. Deepfakes showed that truth itself can be hacked. Nations are now fighting for dominance in code. The AI war isn't coming, it's already here. And whether we realize it or not, every one of us is part of it. Because the next time an AI predicts your next move, remember, someone else might be training it to do exactly that. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into AI, cybersecurity, and the digital world shaping our future. Thank you for watching, and remember, stay smart, stay secure, and see you in the next one.